bit of hard work, a little bit of dedication, persistence. You know what keeps me going is me. Nah, but for real, guys, look, we're gonna get that workout in. We're gonna do a 10-minute workout. We're gonna get fit. We're gonna burn some calories and we're gonna eat. Let's work. True fam, what's good? It's your boy Tyler. I beat you here. You know what's good? I'm back at you guys with another video. We're gonna get fit. Let's grind together. We're gonna do a little bit of workouts, get you guys to burn some of these calories. We're gonna get fit, we're gonna train, we're gonna work out. So in the middle of my workouts, I'm gonna explain to you guys different workouts, different techniques, different routines, how many sets to do. We're gonna get fit. Come follow my channel. Let's grind. Stretch, man. Make sure you guys get loose before your workouts. So we're gonna stretch as long as we can till our body feels right. Stretch it. Ain't no time period on stretching. We trying to avoid injury as much as possible. You get too old, I ain't trying to get hurt. Like my channel and let's go. We trying to get fit. We trying to work out, get gains. We trying to get fit. We trying to get that summer body right. I need them 6 packs going. Jumping jacks, let's get it. 3 sets of 100. Your body loose, let's go. If you ain't sweating, you ain't working. Let's go, true fam. Right after that, we jump into the sprints. Let's get it. Make sure you dig. Every single one of them count. Make sure you grind hard as possible, man. Dig. Push yourself. I need 3 sets up and down. Let's get it. Second breather, take you a rest. 30 seconds, let's go. Reaching for the sky, let's go. Tighten that core up. Let's go, work. After each set, we jogging it out. We keeping our heart rate up, let's go. Take your breather, we jumping back into it. Let's go. Hands over your head, knees to your elbows, and we crunching those abs. After this, we jumping in the mountain climbs. Let's go. Dig. Push yourself past your limits every time. Tighten that core, breathe, and push. We working. Sprint. Let's go. We ain't done jumping jacks. Let's get it. Push, push.
We doing high kicks, then we driving that knee up and crush those abs. Let's go.
We reaching for the sky again. Crunch those abs, crunch those abs. Get those abs tight, flex. We done. Cool down, stretch. Rest as much as you can. Like and subscribe to the page, and I appreciate you guys.